Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You open with a hook that answers a single question or promise. Start recording with vertical framing and compose tightly so your subject fills the frame. This grabs attention fast. Once you have that, make sure audio is clean. Use a lavalier or standing mic, not phone speaker levels. Then set exposure manually or lock AE/AF to prevent mid-shot jumps, because stable visuals and steady sound are the foundation of perceived quality. You now focus on motion and lighting to look professional. Record at higher frame rates like 48 or 60 FPS if you plan soft, slow motion. This reads as cinematic. Once done, place a soft key light and a subtle backlight to separate you from the background. This increases depth and viewer retention. Make sure to keep camera movement intentional. Short push-ins, quick pans, or stabilized gimbal shots make the edit dynamic without nausea. You finish by cutting aggressively so every second earns attention. Remove pauses and dead air, then arrange clips to maximize contrast and payoff. Once cut, clean audio, denoise, normalize, and add gentle compression so dialogue sits forward. Make sure color grading is subtle, lift shadows, and boost highlight contrast. Finally, export in vertical 9:16 using a high bitrate H.264 or HEVC preset. If issues appear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.